This triangle here, £25 million of private investor finance raised using what I'm about to show you. This triangle here is the recipe that people have used in Real Life Tribe. This is only what we know about. We don't know about all of the money that gets raised, but we know in the last 2-3 years, there's been around £25 million of private investor finance raised using what I'm about to show you. So the first thing you've got to understand is that in any given market, in any industry, at any single point in time, there will always be 3% of people that are ready. They are ready. Yeah, so obviously the market of private investor or joint venture finance is going to be 3% of people that are looking to invest in a deal for someone like you. And some people find that hard to believe, but everybody starts off there. Now, at any given time, in any moment, there is around 6 to 7% of the market that they are interested. Yeah, interested. They're like, hey, whoa, this looks good to me. Getting a return on my money, joint venturing someone who's going to do all the work for me. I'm going to leverage other people's time, money, and experience. So it's like they're interested in it, and obviously they're going to be working their way up to ready. Yeah, the next piece of the market is around 30% of the market, and these guys are researching. Yeah, they are researching. So they are like, well, you know what, I've come across this now, I need to look further into this. But yes, I've heard there's ways that you can make money through property, you can use none of your own money, and they start looking into it. Yeah, the next piece of the market is also 30%, and they're at the stage of don't know. They don't know that they don't know. Meaning, like, I don't know that I can make more money. Like, I thought I was just supposed to put my money in the bank, and that's the best place for it to be. Like, they don't know. They don't know what they don't know. And then we've got 30% of the market that are no. No matter what you told them, you could say, listen, I've got a unicorn for sale that's worth 6 billion bitcoins on the market, and they just ain't interested. No matter what you tell them, what you say to them, they're just against it. Okay, so what do we do with these? Because if this is what's going on in the marketplace, what do I actually do? So what do I do with the people that are saying no? What do I do with the people who are like, no, not investing, not interested? What do I do with them? Come on, please tell me in the comments. What do I do? What do I do with these people? Yeah, that's what I do. Can you see that? Just smile. Let them be. Yeah, just smile. All good. Sometimes people comment on my things and they say stuff and it's just like, all good. You're at the no stage. Yeah, they're against it. Yeah, but then soon enough, they might come into the don't know stage. So they're starting to think there must be something that I don't know. And I don't know that I don't know. Yeah, so what is it that you guys can do for these people? So the game is to help people become ready. Yeah, and you can do that by also getting yourself ready, because you've got to get ready with your deals and with these kind of training frameworks and everything to be able to get up to ready yourself. So that's where we want to get to. But if the people, they don't know, which is 30% of the market, so that's a big portion of the marketplace, what is it that we can do for them? Problem solution. I'm going to communicate the problem and the solution because they don't know. So one example would be, like if you wanted to put something out on social media or share knowledge and awareness around, like inflation rate says it's 7%, it's probably more like 12. Like if you say invest with me, the people who don't know, are they going to say, yes, I want to invest with you? Or they're going to be like, what are you talking about, fella? Yeah, they're not, because you're not going to be sure. Yeah, so you've got to just pose the question to them. So eventually they are going to be doing what? Researching this information to be like, whoa, so what is this property thing? What is this get in return? Yeah, so what do we do for the people who are at the research stage? What we do is content. I mean, they're researching and they want the content, so give it to them. One of the ways how we generated 650K in 10 days of investor finance and all the millions that we raised since is through just documenting very simply our journey. You literally just document your journey because these guys are after this kind of content anyway. So they want to see people out there taking action. And you've got to be accountable to this because people just, go off the boil. Now, once they're researching and they start to receive that content and find that content, they go up. They go up again to become interested. So now I'm interested. What is it you think we can do for the people who are interested? If someone's interested, investing money in your deals, what can you do for them? What we do is something called a call to action. And you have to give them like an instruction for them to take action. Like, if you're interested, comment to me, message me, DM me, like send me your details, whatever it might be. So once they're interested and you give them a call to action, what is it that you think is going to happen? They are going to become ready. They are ready to take action and they're ready to make this work. So what do we do for these people? We make sure we meet with them, whether it's virtually, through a call, physically, however you like to do this stuff. So that is what it is, because we know now that they are ready. Guys, now I've showed you this, you're going to see posts and you're going to be like, oh, that's a don't know section. Problem solution, people talking about money in the bank being no good. Oh, that's a piece of content in view and oh, look at it, call to action. It said message me there. Yeah, you're going to start seeing that, especially people in the tribe. If you've got further questions, I want you to reach out. I want you to hit the subscribe button, but I also want you to reach out on any of the social channels. Reach out to Mark Harvey or the Real Life Group and ask your questions. What is your next move? And if there's anything else that you want to know, put it down in the comments. We'll get back to you very soon.